Welcome back to with Cook with Sam. You're in the McElroy's kitchen tonight. You're in the McElroy's kitchen with the head chef, Mr. Sam Allenby. Due to the technical reasons in part one, we had to cut this meal short, but now we've had the electrical engineer out, and yes, ladies and gentlemen, and whoever else is in the house with us, Mr. Boo, Mrs. Boo, we now have a functioning hob. So let's get started. As I was saying, we was cooking fresh salmon Scottish fillets tonight, freshly packed by myself earlier on just to keep them more fresh. So the beginning of this cooking lesson is to get the hob turned on. Luckily we turned this hob on earlier on, and as you can see, it is nice and hot. Glowing, glowing, glowing. Snowing, going on. We've got an auction coming on. Down in one, down in one, down in one. It's going to two. I'm sorry, we're on a different channel here. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and whoever else is here with us, let's get started. First, we will put the pan on the hob. Oh God, what's going on? Oh, yes. This may sound like I've only cooked for the first time, but unfortunately we haven't. So let's begin. We are going to cook with fresh Lurpak butter. Other butters are available, but tonight we are cooking with Lurpak. So Lurpak is the one. Available from all major supermarkets: Aldi, Lidl's, Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Morrison's. I do take cheque, bank transfers, and also cash for sponsorship purposes. So we are going to get a dollop of butter. The dollop of butter literally goes directly in the pan. As you can hear the sizzling noise of the Lurpak butter. Yes, Lurpak. Go buy some Lurpak. Let's get this butter all melted and it's all hot and sizzling. Smell that sizzling butter. That's sizzling Lurpak butter. That's just taken me to £20. As the butter's slowly melting in the pan, we are going to grab the fresh salmon. The fresh salmon is gladly going to go into the sizzling Lurpak butter. And now, yes, as you can hear, the sizzling salmon. So as the sizzling salmon is sizzling in this Lurpak, other brands are available, but tonight my sponsor is Lurpak. We are going to go to another commercial break.